welcome to Arjun Programming. In this video, you're going to learn how to make code in C++. Through Windows, to download the compiler for C++, you're going to go to MinGW. Then you're going to download it, and then go through the steps of installing it. And then, but if you're on Mac, you just need to have Xcode installed, and the compiler should already be installed. Should be installed. And then, to actually make the code, you're gonna go to where you're gonna make your file, and then you're gonna make a file in there called main.cpp. And then inside the file, you're gonna type hashtag include opening and the less than sign, and then IO stream, and then more than sign, and then you're gonna type int, and then in the new line you're gonna type int main, opening and closing parenthesis, opening and closing curly brackets, and in there you're gonna type your code, which will be std :c out double less than sign, and then inside two double quotes, you're gonna pretty much type what you want it to say, like hello. This is pretty much just the basic code for every programming language that you probably first gonna learn. And then another double less than sign out of the double quotes, and then end L. Actually, I think I don't really know, because I actually do this here. So using namespace std semicolon at the end of your line, and maybe you have to do the std semicolon thing without this, and then make sure you have a semicolon at the end of your line. Then to run your code, you're gonna go to your terminal or your command prompt, go to the directory your file is in, and then type G++ dash o main dot cpp. Actually, main dot cpp. I think that's how. And then when you go in, there should be a new file. The main.cpp actually should be the name of your C++ file. This is the same on all of the on Windows or Mac. And then in main, and then for Mac it's main, but there might be something, but if you're on Windows you might get something like main.exe. And then you're gonna type /, and then the name of the new file, which is main, and then it'll run the file. As I want to type it for just one line of one terminal command, you're gonna do g++ -o main.cpp double and symbol, and then /main main.exe, and then it'll just do the same thing, except it pretty much combines these two terminal commands. And that's it for the video, and see you in the next one.